Yeah, hi team. I hope you are doing well. So today, as you remember, last session we discussed bill of material. Correct. So in today's sessions we are going to discuss that what will be that last session we discussed. So on basis of that, we will create the bill of material in the system. So I will be taking here, as you know, remember that these things we will discuss that bill of materials how to create, then the types of bill of material, then single level, multi level. Okay. For today's case, I will be taking a one on by considering one example. That is, suppose I want to create an ice cream bill of material. Okay, so for ice cream, if I want to create the bill of material, so what data we need? So for example, if I then my part code is ice cream, and here are the what will be the items showing, so that these are the raw materials which required to create my ice cream. Okay, so first, if you want to create bill of material in the system, so you should ensure whether these codes are available in the system or not. So I'm taking it to the system that here this is report is MM60. Okay. So if you want to create a bill of material of any part code, you should first check whether what will be that your bill of material is available in the system or not. Without codes, you can't do any creation of bill of material. So I will be opening that. So here you can check that all my list, all bill of materials are available with some certain values and all. Okay. So now I'm directly taking to how to create bill of material. So what is the transaction code to create the bill of material? That is CS01. If you want to go with the path, that also I can able to help you. So see, first transaction code. What is the transaction code? So that I am entering CS01 to create bill of material. Here, this is the initial screen. Same way, if you want to go with the path, so there is option, go with the logistic, then go with the as we are production people, so production, then master data, then bill of material, okay, and then bill of material, material bomb. So this is a CS01. So here CS01. Now I want to create bill of material for which code? Means for ice cream, correct? So ice cream purpose, if I want to create bill of material, so I will be take this code and will enter as a header. That is actually in SAP term, it's a header. So I will be enter here ice cream. Now this is a plant. What plant? In which plant you want to create bill of material? So that as a 1710 and BOM uses. So what is BOM uses? As you remember, last session we discussed production BOM, engineering BOM, design, okay, universal, plant maintenance, sales and distribution. Other BOMs are also there, but we discussed it here. And actually, this is a practice server, so you can found multiple BOM as in here. Later on, then here alternative BOM. So alternative what BOM? I will be coming with the next upcoming videos. But as of now, you can remember keep blank only. Then if coming to below, that here is a validity. So change number. If any change number concept was there, so that also for that also we will create a separate video. As of now, I want to create bill of material. So from which date this bomb bill of material you want validity? Suppose 1/5 or one we can say or the 1st of June. So how that is your concern. So you can check that validity from which you want to applicable. If you enter, then press enter button. If you press enter, so this is your general create material bomb general item module. So here you can find that header details. Okay, for which material this is ice cream, then plant and alternative bomb is wanted by default one. Okay, now I want to create this item. Here you can check item is there. Okay, so which item you want to create a bill of material. So first I will take my item categories. Suppose L. Okay, and L is what is L? So item category. If you go with the item category, so here multiple different items category are available which are using a bill of material. So as of now, today we are cases we are discussing as a now we are using bill of material that is a real public that productions and all. So L is we are using stockable item. So suppose first material is my milk. Okay. So if I using milk, so my milk is obviously stockable item. So actually instead of like that going, I will go with the my Excel what milk code is there. Yeah. So this is for this 1151. So I will be add this code in the system. Okay. where is my SAP system? So here I will be adding milk. Now, what is quantity we required to produce bill of material? So you can add that in Excel sheet. You can check. Yeah, so this is our level of 60 unit. Okay, so 60 quantity you can enter 60 liter actually. So that bill of material is applicable for 60 liter. So I will be enter here 60. If I press enter, so system will creating my bill of material under this ice cream. One item code will be created, that is this. Okay, that milk code is there. What will be that? And L, that item category will be there. Okay, validity what will be? I enter 1/5. So you take it, and till date is a maximum date of SAP, that is 31st 12/999. Okay, so this is my one material. The rest of the material also same. I will be adding in the that we can say here. So I will be adding here. I will be take. Then I will be going to again system. Then we'll press this. Then we'll be going L item category for all we have to enter L. Then we go with the L. Then here also is all item category we need to L. Okay. And then later on we need to add quantities. Okay. So because if you not enter quantity, if you either you go one quantity, that is your call, or you go like that. That is again it depend on you. One item you need to enter, or as I'm doing the copy paste, so I will be directly entering here. Okay, so once I enter, see that date format is as per SAP, decimal is there, so that this system is like that. We are not set it as a decimal place, so that is comma as a decimal. Okay, so now the system will be taking. See, all my bill of material is ready here. Unit of measure is there. Valid from date is also there. Okay, so this my bill of material is created. One more things. This is the item as I told here header. So if you want to check header details, so here see header is there. Either you go F6 or here header. So if I select header, so system will be show me header details. Okay, so this is my ice cream code. This is a plant. BOM internal, alternative BOM is 1, BOM uses is 1. Okay. Additional, if you go here, so base quantity is there. So what will be the item you enter? This item, what will be the item is there? So by using this item, how many ice cream liters will be we can able to produce? Okay. So that we need to check. So that base quantity, as if you go my Excel sheet, will be I enter that 100 liter. If I want to produce 100 liter of ice cream, so I need these raw materials. Okay, agree? Same things I will be adding here. Okay. So if I'm going into that header detail, so here my base quantity is what 1 kg as of now. Here 1 liter is there. Okay. So I need to enter that 100. Sorry, not a liter. Actually, that unit of measure is kg. So ice cream is unit of measure is I mentioned kg. So that is 100 kg. If I maintain 100 kg, then in only see anyhow units ice cream value may coming in kg or somewhere will be liter also. Okay, grams and all. So that's for example here I will consider kg. So if I 100 kg, then these materials are sorry. Then if I go to the item, so this all details will be there. Okay, now my bill of material is ready. If I save that, see if you click here save, okay, so system will my create a bill of material, that is I save that. Save my bill of material is created. Now if you want to check whether this material is got created properly or not, so you can use, there is a two options. Directly you can go here material BOM change, okay, or you can go with the CS02. So I will be here and it change. So my bill of material is there, plant is there, okay. Then I enter. So here you can find this bill of material is got created with what were your details enter in the system. Okay, this item that item category components, this description will be there. Unit of that what quantity and unit of measure is there. Okay, I hope you guys are understood. Okay, let me know if any queries. Okay, so please comment and share. Okay, I'll be sharing and. For if any concerns regarding the bill of material, obviously I'm expecting let me know, okay, so that I will be rectified your doubts and we can say any issues. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching this video.